Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and for a little look at the advent calendars that I had this year, planner advent calendars. So I have the Plannerface standard vertical advent here. This is the Plannerface journaling advent, and this is A Mundane Life's advent. It's the Plannerface one. I can probably work out what these things were, but I don't 100% know. But we're going to get straight into it with the Plannerface standard vertical advent. I will have timestamps down in the description for if you want to look at anything specifically. So from here on out there are going to be spoilers. So essentially the Plannerface standard vertical and journaling both came with 4 kits and foil to match it, because Anna is now releasing foil. It is now on the website. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to get 10% off, and if you mention my name you will get one of the PR freebies. But it's essentially, it came in four little sections, each with add-ons, a kit, and then the foil was basically day 1, 2 and 3. So I am just going to show you each of those sets together, because that's kind of how I've done it. So the first kit we got was this gorgeous spring cottage one. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, this is perfect for going on a walk or staying in the Lake District or Peak District or anything like that if you're from the UK, or like going to a national park or something like that. The colours I am obsessed with as well. This is the kit. You can slow down and check out the format if you really want to. I'm not going to go over it. This is obviously current format. Then we got add-on wise, we got these gorgeous tall boxes. I particularly love this one here, and these 2 extra boxes, alternate skin tones here, including for these hands here. Anna is very good at that. And then this is the doodle and icons you get. And then we have the 15mm add-on, which I always buy anyway, the box add-on, which again I normally buy, and the glitter add-on, which I don't normally buy but is useful to have. And then the first foil bundle is this hollow foil bundle. I'm going to make the light a bit weird for a second just to show you how hollow this is. My current lighting doesn't show hollow very well, but it does show other foils better. So because this is new, I will show you the format, so you get and like a close-up of the, in fact I'm going to keep that because this foil definitely shows better like that. So you've got all these little flowers and cuteness, and I'm obsessed. So you get 6 full boxes and I believe 15 headers, Anna said, plus a load of little tiny deco bits on your, and you get 2 sheets of that. You get 2 sheets of the underlays and the load of icons there, and then there is a washi script page. So you've got your 2 strips of 15mm, a toolbox for Anna's toolboxes, date dots and scripts there. And so that was it for like the spring section. So we will move on to the summer. So the summer one came with incorrect foil, and Anna has indeed sent out the correct foil. So I've got 2 lots of foil to show you here, and this just this little box came to say this was wrong, and then you've got a sneak of the colours there. And this is probably my favourite kit. This or winter, I think, are my favourite kits. So here it is. It is a festival sort of vibe. Well, it is in fact, it's called Festival Vibes, and isn't it just gorgeous? And the colours, oh, I'm just obsessed. And I need this pillow, like 100% need that pillow. So here's your format. I'm just again flicking through it really quickly. Then we had alternate skin tone. I don't know whether that's an alternate skin tone or an extra box, alternate hair colours and things, and I am obsessed. Then your header, your icon and things, and then these are your toolboxes, super cute. Then we have 15mm add-on, glitter add-on, and the box add-on. And that is it for sort of the kits and things there. Then I will show you the incorrect foil that came in the countdown first. So this is the summer foil bundle, and this is in like pink foil. So it was meant to be, you know, sort of rose gold, I believe, but essentially it didn't have the silver backing on, and so it was the wrong foil colour. So yeah, but this is the summer format with the little ice creams and things. I'm finding it hard to show you the foil well today. So there, that's the same format, but this is your washi page. But then we also got in the foil bundle this, which was the correct foil colour there. But then some of these were oops from some little bits of overfoiling or underfoiling on here. So Anna tried to pick out the best ones to include, but yeah, that's that. So that's the foil bundle that you got with it. And I'm actually going to pull this one out because the correct foil colour was the rose gold, which is here. And this is the same format, just in the rose gold. I'm not going to go through it, but this is the correct foil colour and the rose gold that Anna will have in her shop. So that's there. On to the autumn section, we have this gorgeous fall cabin kit. So we'll pop these a bit further back and show you the kit first. Sneak of the foil there. It is this gorgeous, and like, I want to stay here. Again, it'd be perfect for a little autumn getaway. I love that sign. Oh, and the colours of this, like, are just so quintessential autumn. I love that she did like a whole year round thing. And then add-ons wise, we have the 15mm washi. We have these extra skin tones, the icons and decos. These tall girls, look at her outfits, they are so cute. Then we have the box add-on and the glitter add-on. The foil with this was in gold, and there are extras of this up on the website, by the way, if they're still in stock. So these are your full boxes. See, so gold shows really well with my lighting. Gold and silver particularly show really well with my lighting how it is, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I love that she's got like properly themed washi and stuff in the kit. Oh, just look at that. I think what Anna's done with her foil bundle format is beautiful. So that's kind of it for the fall one. As I said, this is probably one of my favourite too. This is the winter kit, and things are in a bit of a funny order because I've just thrown them in as I went along. So, like, as I opened them, they got shoved in an envelope because I knew I was going to film this video. This is the winter snowed in kit, and it is everything to me. It's so cozy. Look at those little doggos hiding under the bed. That's totally what my cats do. There's the jigsaw and the reading, and I just love it. Super, super cute. These are the toolboxes we got with this version. The scripts and the icons and deco. This girl here with alternate skin tones, then the rest of the normal kit format there. Got our 15mm add-on, which is absolutely beautiful. Your box add-on and your glitter add-on there. So that is the snowed in kit, and I love it. The last foil bundle here is the snow one, winter foil bundle. Absolutely stunning. Again, 2 pages of that, 2 pages of the bougie, and again, look at that, just beautiful. Absolutely excited to use that. And then the final thing I got with my advent was, because I ordered in the pre-sale, I got 4 die cuts, one to match each of the kits, but I will probably use these with my journaling stuff. So that's those there. Speaking of journaling stuff, let's quickly move on to the journaling advent. This very much follows the same format, so I have things like in a really random order. So like, I'm probably going to show you this one backwards because I just put it all into one envelope. So we're going to start with winter, and we got the washi page of the foil bundles in the journaling kits, because you've got scripts and stuff there. I will probably just save those and use them with general kits. And then we also got another like journaling specific sheet in there. And the first ones we got were these, the last one we got, sorry, were these scripts. So you've got one for each season. You've got spring, summer, autumn and winter, and I think they are super cute. Then for snowed in, which was the winter kit, we got these toolboxes here. I've never used toolboxes in my journal, but because I get this in a different paper, I can't pull them into the standard vertical kit because they are removable matte and I get it in premium. So if you just want to see, you possibly can't even tell very well on camera, but you can see like the difference in the crispness of the colours between premium and removable. But because my journal is just like a place for me, I just use removable. So anyway, these are the toolboxes, and then this is the kit. So you've got the main 3-page kit like this on day like 2, the second day of a cycle. So this is like 4 box things, and then lots of little functionals there, your deco and florals, your main normal page of a journaling kit. Then on day 1 you got the washi page, which is on special washi paper. It is transparent, no, translucent rather than transparent, like washi is. So I don't know whether you're going to be able to see, but it's like more like a proper washi paper, so it acts more like washi tape. And then we also got these washi icons, which are the same paper but in icons, and they are quite big, the icons. I am going to use those with the other kits just because I don't really use icons in my journal. But yeah, so that is like the 4-page kit you got with the journaling, so that is snowed in. For the autumn one, Full Cabin, see if I can pull up the so obviously again we got the journaling kit, we got the add-ons first, so this was the washi and the washi icons there, and then the next day we got the actual kits and these toolboxes. So we got this toolbox here for Full Cabin, and then this is the journaling kit. So you've got your main page, your deco and florals, and then your extra mystery page there. So if you get the mystery format, if you get the mystery in the journaling format, you get these 4 pages plus a die cut. That is like the mystery journaling format, if that makes sense. So that is Full Cabin, and again we got the foil for this, so we got the washi foil for these spreads, so that's there. And then we also got this torn paper, and these are cut with a little tiny white border around it. So there's those to use in your journaling however you might want to. And on to summer. Let's just try and pull out the right bits. Here we go. So the summer kit is Festival Vibes again. This is just the journaling format. I'm not going to linger for too long because, as I've said, I've already explained this quite a lot, but there you go. And that was your washi sheet and the washi icons, and these were the toolboxes you got. Look at her hair, it is stunning. So yeah, the reason I keep picking these up is because I store my journaling kits with the deco page on top. I think it gives the like best vibe of the kit. And then for the 3rd day we got the 15mm, the washi page again, and also we got these letter tiles. So you've got all of the letters, they are on a craft paper, absolutely stunning, really like those. I'm excited to use those. Then last but not least, for the journaling kits, we have the spring kit. So this is Spring Cottage. So there's your 2 main pages of the journaling kit, then your extra mystery page, your toolboxes, which you don't normally get with the journaling, but we got in the advent. Then you've got your washi icons and a washi page there. Super cute, really like that. And then again we have the foil page. Again, look at that foil hollow, it is beautiful. And then the extra today for this one was these little doodles, which are super cute and I'm excited to use in my journaling. So that was both of the Plannerface ones. So now let us get on to the Mundane Life advent, and this was a die cut / sticker advent only, so you got like a die cut a day. I have no idea which days they came on, but I am just going to go through them all. As you can see, it's just a bit of a mess of die cuts at the moment. I just put all my die cuts away and I'd forgotten about these, and I'm not sure they're going to fit in my book. So most of these are exclusive to the thing, I think, or haven't been out yet, but a couple of them have already been out. And then we got 2 sheets of stickers as well. So these were, you got 2 sheets of stickers. So you got What's the Tea with a little tea bag, and an It Was Free with a little parcel. So they are super cute. And then these are all of the die cuts. I'm just gonna run through them relatively quickly, showing you them and reading them. So spent all my money on shit I don't need. I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster. Everything hurts. You need to chill on a like ice lolly. This is one of my favourites. Being abducted by aliens sounds pretty good at this point. And then the festive spirit with a ghosty with the string lights, super cute. These are all in vinyl, so they can go on water bottles or whatever. I'll probably mostly use them in my journal though. Then we have I Need Cute Stationery to Function there. Emotional support water bottle. My Alone Time is for everyone's safety. I love this one too. I'm not lazy, I'm on energy saving mode, and you've got a sloth there as well. Love this. To no is a full sentence. This made me laugh so much. It's a little fortune cookie, and the fortune is you're fucked. It just made me laugh. Literally just trying my best. So true. I want pizza, not your opinion. Again, love that. So true. A little hedgehog saying not a hugger. And then a potato saying feels like a doing nothing kind of day, which is super cute as well. Then I quite like this one as well. It says suck it, and it's a succulent. It just made me giggle. I really enjoyed this. And then again, I really like this one. I burn a lot of calories by jumping to conclusions. It's just great. There's no such thing as too many planners. And then a llama that's saying I'm just here for the drama, because it's a drama llama. Hello, I'm exhausted, which is very true right now. I've been doing lots of family things for Christmas and I'm very tired. And then Future Ghost, which is very cute. And that is it for the mundane life. Okay, so that is it. These are all some of the gorgeous things I got in this advent. Let me know what advents you got. Were you happy with them? I adored all of these. Really glad I picked them all up. Thank you for watching. Comment like down below if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this sort of wrap up thing. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!